Today, I want to show you how you can simply trade meme coins on the Robinhood chain. Lately, there's been a real trend of all the meme coins happening on Robinhood besides Solana. For me, the easiest way is to do it with Axiom. To start, you just use axiom.trade slash at dgenpick. That's my ref code. If you use that, you are saving money on the fees. So make sure to use that. You are going to, quickly log in. Let's do that. I've logged in. Either you use Google, you use your Phantom wallet, or whatever you prefer, right? And you get the onboarding here. You can push it away if you want. They will ask for permissions and stuff. You can, you don't need it. So what's the best way? You just click on Pulse. Pulse gives you a pretty nice overview of all the things happening in the industry, new pairs, final pairs kind of promoting, and the migrated ones. To filter out, we have to filter options, but most importantly, we are going to highlight Solana and BNB things. So we only see the Robinhood chain meme coins. Those are the current ones happening, quite some volume, quite some play possibilities. There you go. There you can trade. Here are new pairs happening. You can find some gems. Maybe you are lucky and hit the new cash cat. Have fun, enjoy, and keep trading.